Cloudy and oxidized headlights not only reduce your visibility, they also affect the appearance of your car. Replacing these neglected headlights can be very expensive, but with our one-step headlight restoration kit, you can easily restore clarity to cloudy, oxidized, yellowed, and even lightly scratched headlights using your own drill. Start by cleaning your headlights to remove any dust or dirt. Attach to the Meguiar's specialized buffing pad. Apply a small amount of Meguiar's Plastex polish directly on the buffing pad. Place the pad flat against the headlight and turn on the drill. Continue to use slow, overlapping motions and keep the pad firmly against the headlight while buffing. Apply Plastex polish as needed and continue buffing until the headlight becomes clear. For the final application, use the included microfiber towel to apply and remove Plastex polish by hand to reveal a like-new headlight that's brighter, safer, and better looking. For additional detailing tips and techniques, call our surface care specialist or visit Meguiars.com.